Welcome to Sandals. It's you why we're here.
Beach days turning into late nights. Sunshine, let me dead in the eye. What's the time? It's a sign. Realign, redefine in my mind. Beach days turning into late nights. Sunshine, let me dead in the eye.
Cool.
What's the time? It's a sign. Realign, redefine in my mind.
One time for your mind and two for the soul. Third eye open, you can feel when it's closed. Four dimensions sitting on the way to 5. 6 sense how we stay.
Sandals Dunn.
Hi, thank you so much.
Welcome to Sandals, your home away from home.
Oh my
And
gosh,
sweet,
so
sweet
nice.
Jamaica is where you belong. We'll make your vacation the time of your life. Our staff are so friendly, it's courtesy we show. Welcome to Sandals, it's you why we're here.
So you heard it. Welcome to paradise here at Sandals Dunn Resort, Jamaica, an all-inclusive top-tier leisure destination, if I do say so myself. If you're visiting this resort soon, you will want to watch this video to the very end. And don't forget to email info@artraveladventures.com to book this or any Sandals property. Of course, no trip to Sandals Dunn is complete without experiencing their stunning accommodations. Whether you're staying in the standard rooms, beachfront suite, or a private villa with your own plunge pool, every room is beautifully designed with luxury, romance, and comfort in mind. If you have not seen a room tour, I'll pin it above. Feel free to check it out. From this video, you'll see that the property is a stunning tropical oasis with breathtaking views all around. Sandals Dunn has the best customer service and staff I've experienced in a very, very long time. From the moment you arrive, the warm and welcoming staff make you feel right at home, offering world-class service with genuine smiles and attentive care. I do appreciate that every detail is thoughtfully handled, ensuring your stay is as relaxing and unforgettable as the island itself.
Oh, na 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 na. You woke on the right side of the bed, man. Your ass, baby, got me going crazy. So fresh and clean, man. Please smile for me, babe. You like I did see you for the first time. So fresh like fine wine. You didn't have me like marijuana. Girl, I'ma see you, baby, every time. All I can do is stare, I can't even move, girl. What's the secret, girl? You got me confused. Is it that smile? Is it your hair? The way you party with your friends, girl? Is it those shoes or that dress? All the makeup on your face, so fabulous. Oh, you're so fabulous. 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 Girl, you're so fabulous. You put a tingle in my spine, baby, I want you, babe. Everything we I do, girl, not for you, babe. You won't kill somebody. The way you whine in the body. Here to deny your birthday, girl. Whine it for daddy. Now, girl, you won't kill somebody. The way you whine in your body. Girl, today not your birthday. When I'm for daddy. Yeah, smile. Is it your hair? The way you party with your friends, girl. Is it those shoes or that dress? All the makeup on your face, so fabulous. Oh, you're so fabulous. 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 Girl, you're so fabulous.
I loved that this resort offers a variety of dining options that cater to every palate. From authentic Jamaican flavors to gourmet international cuisine, there's something for everyone. With 12 restaurants with 5-star global gourmet dining, unlimited drinks, and 24-hour room service, you will definitely experience true pampering at every turn. Savor island-inspired dishes at Zuka, indulge in Italian classics at Cascata, or experience the finest seafood at Edessa. Edessa was our absolute favorite. It's the star of the show when it comes to seafood, particularly their incredible lobster dish. It's so fresh, so flavorful, and grilled to perfection with a Mediterranean twist. People often rave about it, and once you've tried it, you will see why. Ensure you visit Bloom Cafe, perfect spot for coffee lovers and those with a sweet tooth. Here you can enjoy, your freshly brewed coffee, specialty teas, and a selection of delightful pastries and dessert. Bloom Cafe is the perfect place to relax, recharge, and indulge in a laid-back atmosphere with a beautiful island view. There is also the vibrant Jamaican flair at Jerk Shack, more Italian favorites at Cascata, and so much more to explore. It's like traveling the world through food. And after dinner, don't forget to grab a drink at the swim-up bar or unwind with a perfectly crafted cocktail at Ocarina Bar. I loved this rooftop bar. This exclusive spot offers breathtaking panoramic views of the ocean and lush mountains. Sip on expertly crafted cocktails, unwind to soothing island rhythms, and soak in the perfect blend of luxury and nature. For those looking to mix relaxation with a bit of adventure, this resort is your gateway to some of the best excursions Jamaica has to offer. Dive into the excitement of on-site water sports with options like snorkeling, scuba diving, hobby cat, kayaking, paddleboarding, tubing, and much more. A guided off-property trip to the famous Duns River Falls is also an option, as well as enjoy a catamaran cruise along the coastline. Also dine and explore other neighboring Sandals properties such as Sandals Bocherias, all a part of your stay. The fun doesn't stop when the sun goes down. Experience the fun of silent headphone parties. Also, feel free to enjoy live entertainment and enjoy local musicians, cultural performances, and much more.
Kinda stressed out, don't know where my head's at. Feeling like I'm always trying to get up on the right track. On the right track, feeling so lost. Can you help me find the right path?
Baby, if you follow, I'll catch you. Diving in deep, I need a right suit. Cause ain't nobody coming to our rescue. Cause we just gotta do what we gotta do.
This is feeling like deja vu. Every single time I'm coming back to you. I don't know what to do. Cause when I'm with you, it still feels brand new.
I need you right or wrong. She riding shawty in a whip and it's her favorite song. I told her, baby girl, I'm really trying to take you home. This is not the type of thing you want to do alone. So what you waiting on? Here we go again,
Kinda stressed out, don't know where my head's at. Feeling like I'm always trying to get up on the right track. On the right track, feeling so lost. Can you help me find the right kind of stress?
I will also add that Sandals Dunn River has one of the best fitness centers I've seen in resorts across the island, equipped with the latest gear for all of your workout needs.
Here we go again.
This is feeling like deja vu. Every single time I'm coming back to you. I don't know what to do. Cause when I'm with you, it still feels brand new. This is feeling like deja vu. Every single time I'm coming back to you. I don't know what to do. Cause when I'm with you, it still feels brand new.
Sandals Dunn River definitely caters to a different crowd with a different vibe. For a vacation you thoroughly want to enjoy. You won't find a lot of people taking selfies, making TikTok videos, or spending their vacation on their phones. Not that there's anything wrong with that, of course, but everyone is living in the moment. A big factor for this, which is my absolute favorite thing about the Sandals Resort, is the epic photo studio located on the resort. Their professional photographers are always on hand to snap the perfect shot. All guests get a free 15-minute photo session from which they can later pick and purchase their favorite photos. Unforgettable memories.
Oh, you're so fabulous. 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 Girl, you're so fabulous.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and resort reviews. Until next time, stay adventurous.
You somebody, the way you whine in the body. Here to deny your birthday, girl. Whine it for God. I know you won't kill somebody. The way you whine in your body. Girl, today not your birthday. When I'm for 30, yeah. Smile, is it your hair? The way you party with your friends, girl. Is it those shoes or that dress? All the makeup on your face, so fabulous.